Today I'm excited to show you what we can do with this awesome little monitor. This is the Mindray BeneVision N1. It is designed as a transport monitor, but we also find that some of our mobile anesthesiologists are really excited about using this as a small, compact monitor to take with them as they travel. So I'm going to show you how you need to configure this to connect it to Xchart. So first of all, we're going to go to the menu here. And you have to slide up to unlock it if you haven't used it for a bit to avoid accidental touches. And then you're going to hit the menu, you're going to slide over till you get to maintenance. And here, just to make it easy for ourselves, we're going to hit the little I so we can see what we're typing. We're going to put on caps lock and we're going to type MIN888 and hit OK. And then you're going to get over to the network settings tab. So we're going to go over here until we get to network setup here. And you're going to scroll down. We're not going to be using Wi-Fi. We're going to be using a direct connection, and we need to get to this HL7 configuration down here. So once you push that, this is the IP address that you need to type in, exactly this. So it should be 192.168.0.7. Hit enter, and then you need to set the port here. This needs to be set to exactly 5,000. And then the data interval here, I want you to set it to the shortest available setting. Some of these will, some of the other Mindrays will go to 1 second, but 10 seconds is good for this one. That's the lowest that's available on this particular model. And then you can say send data needs to be turned on here. And if you have the waveform features in Xchart, then you can also turn on the send waveforms. And it'll actually send the ECG waveforms to Xchart as well. So now for the physical connection. So what you're going to do is we will send you a box that looks something like this. Okay. So this little box, let's turn this around so we can see what we're doing. What we're going to do is we're going to plug in just the USB portion here into any available USB port here, and then plug in the Ethernet portion into this as well. And now we're going to have a connection here. So this is our serial cable, so this will go directly to the computer. And that's really all you need to do to connect this on the backside. Okay, so now we are here inside Xchart. We are going to physically connect the USB portion here to this computer. This one has a little white adapter on it just to make it fit in here. But then we're going to say, and we've opened a test case here. So you're going to say, I understand. Let me add it. And now we're going to just select the monitor type we're going to want. So in this case, we're looking for Mindray HL7. There is another Mindray here that's a serial port. We want the HL7 version because we're connecting to the back of the monitor and it's using that protocol. So we select that, we say show connection selector, and then we select the connected device here. So one little trick on this screen to make sure you're selecting the right thing is to physically remove the USB port. You see how it disappears? That way you can tell which one you're supposed to pick. The one that appears here is the one that we want. And so I'm going to go ahead and select that one and hit connect. And instantly there it's connecting. And then all I have to do is say use this connection. And it does have, I guess, a temperature sensor hooked up to it, which is why we're getting temperature sent through here. But I also want to show you real quick also, if you have the waveform features enabled on your account, you can jump up here and you can go to BeneVision. Show BeneVision, and we're going to select use this device because we're going to use this computer as a projection device. And with that, now we're seeing the temperature, we're seeing our waveforms over here, and I'm going to put on a monitor real quick. So when I put on the SpO2 sensor, once it picks it up, you should start seeing the waveforms coming through here as well as any other values that come in on the right there. SpO2, we're now getting an SpO2 and a heart rate from that, and now we can see our pleth waveform. So if we had end-tidal CO2 hooked up or ECG, we would see that here as well. But it's pretty cool. You can leave this set up and use this as kind of your bigger version of this small screen. The box that we use to connect all this is something that you have to get directly from Xchart since it requires some special configuration and hardware to make this work. But we're very excited to have this option and excited how easy it is to set up. Thanks for watching.